If you've ever asked AI to just help you write faster and gotten back something you had to rewrite anyway, the problem probably wasn't the tool, it was the ask. Here's what's ahead: why the vague version of this request backfires, the three prompt split that actually fixes it, and the exact prompts to run tonight. This isn't about typing faster. It's about asking better. Most people lose 2 whole evenings to one piece of writing. Research, drafting, and editing all tangled together in one sitting that never quite ends. If you write comparison pieces, reviews, or promo content on the side, you already know exactly which evening I mean. Here's what's actually going wrong when that happens. Write me a comparison piece. Help me create content. Give me ideas. AI answers every time, but the output usually needs so much rework, you've barely saved any time at all. That's the real problem. You handed AI an entire multi-step job in one sentence, then treated the messy result as proof the tool doesn't work. You end up rewriting the whole thing anyway, which means the AI didn't save you time, it just moved the work around. Help me write faster sounds like one request. It's actually three. Gathering the real facts, structuring an honest argument, tightening the language enough that a stranger actually finishes reading it. AI can do all three. It just can't guess which one you need first. Most people try to do all three in their head at once, then wonder why the output feels off. That's the actual bottleneck, every time. One broad request, quietly hiding 3 or 4 separate jobs inside it. Here's the pattern worth noticing. A better AI tool handed the same vague request produces the same vague result, just faster. Comparing tools for another week doesn't fix a task that was never narrow enough to compress in the first place. So skip the vague version entirely and split the job before you ever open a chat window. Split the job into 3 separate narrow prompts and run them in order. 3 narrow jobs, 3 narrow prompts, not one broad request hoping AI reads your mind. You could try to write one giant perfect prompt that covers all 3 jobs at once. Most people do. It's exactly what produces that generic result in the first place, because AI still has to guess which part matters most in what order. Start narrow. Ask for the specific, verifiable details about the one product you're comparing. Here's what that looks like in practice. Pick one product, say Notion, and ask what it actually does, where it falls short, and who it's genuinely built for. Not opinions, specifics you could check yourself. Now hand AI those details and ask for one thing: an honest draft, nothing else. One honest comparison paragraph built only from what the research step already verified, nothing added just because it sounded good. That's the whole draft prompt. One paragraph grounded in real detail, not a guess dressed up as confidence. Last step, cut it down to whatever a skeptical stranger would actually finish reading. That edit prompt has one job: making sure the length serves the reader, not the other way around. Cut the fluff, keep the honesty. That's the entire job of this last prompt. That's the whole shift. Research, then draft, then edit, run in that order every single time. Give yourself 45 minutes total. 15 for research, 15 for the draft, 15 for the edit. Don't skip straight to draft. The research step is what keeps everything after it honest. This week, pick one product you genuinely recommend and run the 3 prompts tonight in order. If any step runs long, that's not a time management problem. It's a sign the task inside it is still too broad. Narrow it further and try again. Here's where the leverage actually shows up. Writing one honest comparison piece by hand, research included, can cost 2 lost evenings. Split into 3 narrow prompts, it collapses into one 45-minute sitting. That's not a hypothetical. That's the actual math of doing this once versus doing it the old way, over and over. That compression only works because the task got narrow enough for AI to do each piece well. Build the 3-prompt workflow once, and it applies to the next piece and the one after that. Do this once for one product, and the second time takes less than 45 minutes because you already know exactly what each of the 3 prompts needs to say. After the edit prompt, ask AI one more question. What's the one sentence in this piece a skeptical reader would trust the least? Have it flag that line and explain why. It's a fast gut check, not a rewrite. 30 seconds, one honest answer. You don't have to agree with the answer, but reading it before you publish catches the one line that would have cost you the reader's trust. That's the whole workflow. 3 narrow prompts, 45 minutes, One honest piece of writing you didn't have to fight for. No burnout, no blank page, just 3 prompts you can run again tomorrow on the next piece.
If you want more workflows like this one, like and subscribe to Empire of One.